Hi and welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today we are going to explain the VP44 diesel injection pump wiring and working. Before starting the video, I have small request for newcomers. If you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification to getting more latest update videos. So let's get started. First of all, little bit introduce this fuel injection pump. This fuel injection pump like a working distributor distribute the fuel to the each injector for the requirement of the injector for the combustion chamber. If we are open the top head of this 4 Allen key screw, we are seeing inside the fuel pump top head like this, like a circuit. This is the chip built circuit. This is working to distribute the fuel, and notice the injection pump timing and top dead center of which piston. No need to fire the fuel injection pump. Okay, now if you want to completely and briefly understanding the wiring of this fuel injection pump, please make sure watch the complete videos. Okay, this is the circuitry of the fuel injection pump of VP44. You can see from the right side ECM pin 7, 16, 6, 13, 4, 3, 43 and 29. These all pins is going to the top head of the fuel injection pump to connect for the operation. You can see the pin number 7 from the ACM is going to the fuel pump connector, pin number 7. You can see behind in the diagram on the downtown 23 pin connector, this H1 is a can high, and the middle between is a S terminal. This is the unswitched battery 12 volt and 24 volt DC unswitched. That means this is all time alive. Okay, and the H is negative and SM is battery positive. Okay, after that the number pin, uh, 23 pin connector, pin number A is going to up connector, fuel pump connector. This is the VP44 24 volt positive or 12 volt positive supply. Okay, the number, the ACM side, no look the ACM side, 16 number pins is going to the pin number 8, engine position reference signal wires. Okay, that's mean the camshaft position sensor. Okay, after that pin number 6 is VP44 fuel shut off, and then 13 number pins from the ACM is going to pin number 5 of fuel pump VP44 data link battery positive, and then pin number 4 from the ACM is going to VP44 data link negative. This is for the data link connection. After that the pin number 3 of the ACM is going to pin number 3. This is for the shield return. Okay, and 43 number pin from the ACM is going to VP44 fuel shut off, and pin number 29 from the ACM is going to VP44 battery negative, which is going to connected with the fuel pump connector, pin number 6. This is the complete wiring of VP44 from the ACM to the fuel pump. If you want a complete specific diagram of this, please write comment below and share your email. I send you the complete diagram of VP44 fuel injection pump. So this is the complete video of connector of ECM to the fuel pump connector. So I hopefully understand you all to watching this video. See you all next time and goodbye.